Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying your SSD fits. 5" M, 2 SATA or NVMe that determines cables and mounting. Next, create a full disk image or at least copy essential files to an external drive so you can restore if needed. Once backed up, connect the SSD externally via USB to SATA adapter or FreeBay. This lets you clone without opening the case yet. Make sure you note boot mode, UEFI versus legacy, and current partition style, GPT or MBR, because cloning must match those settings. You now run the cloning tool and select the HDD as source and the SSD as target. If the new SSD is smaller, shrink partitions first or use Intelligent Clone to copy only used sectors. Choose alignment to 1 MB to optimize performance. During cloning, disable fast startup and any encryption so the process isn't blocked. Once cloning finishes, shut down, swap drives physically into the bay or M.2 slot, and confirm the SSD is set to the top of the boot order in BIOS or UEFI before powering on. You power up and check that Windows or your OS boots from the SSD. If it does not, enter BIOS and confirm the cloned disk is first, and that boot mode matches GPT versus MBR. Once booted, enable OSI for SATA and run trim to maintain SSD longevity, plus update the drive firmware if available. If boot errors persist, try repairing the bootloader from Recovery Media or Reclone using a different utility. Sometimes switching the cloning method or doing a fresh OS install is.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.